So, good morning sir. So, mga din ang problem sir, number 11 and number 12. So, ang question sa number 11 is, what is the volume of steel ball having a diameter of 6 cm? So, ang formula na gamit natin is V equals to 4 over 3 pi r squared and cube. Then, ang V natin sir is, the volume, R is the radius of the sphere. So, mga din ang formula sa radius, diameter given diameter over 2. So, ang given natin sa diameter is 6. So, input lang natin 6 over 2 equals 3. Then, B, 4 over 3 pi. Then, input ang atong radius 3 cube to the power of 3. And then, mauna na siya sa result 4 over 3 pi times 27. And then, sa B, ang volume na ito, formula sa volume is given ang 108 pi. Input lang dahil na ito ang radius 3. Then, ang final answer is 36 pi cm cube. Next is number 12. 200 liters of punch fruit that contains 35% fruit juice is mixed with 300 liters of another punch. The resulting fruit punch is 200 fruit in the 300 liters of punch. So, ang 200 liters na to is nasa 0.35, meaning 35%, times 200 equals 70 liters. 300 liters na to is, pagkitaon na to ang iyang punch fruit, which is, ang formula nga gamiton is x over 100 times 300 equals 3x liter. So, total volume na to is 200 plus 300 liters equals 100. Total fruit juice in the fruit mixture is 0.20. Mao na itong kanang paon. So, 70 plus 3x equals 100. Transpose, paggawas ang 3x, 100 minus 70 equals 30. Transpose upon, paggawas ang x, 30 over 3 is equals to 10%.